Hello everyone, welcome back to my tutorial. So today I want to show you how we create the dummy text for your design. So this is very important if you want to create a design template or your own design to using dummy text. Okay, for these examples I have three resources for your dummy text, where two of them come from the web services like libsum.com and libsum.pro, and the one is come from your PowerPoint application. So let's start. So first I want to show you first is from the libsum.com. You can use this, the popular one for the libsum text dummy. In these web services we could do some experience with the rich language here. You can choose the default English version here, and perhaps you can using the Italiano here and maybe Dutch or Spain, and you can just select and do some copy here, right click copy and back to your PowerPoint, and in the home you can choose the text box here. You can create text area and just right click and choose this one, keep text only. Okay, this is the simple text from the libsum.com, and the second is come from libsum.pro. So this is only one language, but a very rich experience, very familiar with experience choose when you can find from characters, how many characters do you want to use, or maybe how many words, and then how many sentences and your paragraphs. So let's say I want to choose one sentence here and just click it, copy it, and you can open again the PowerPoint, and then you can choose the text box here and you can paste again. Okay, just one here like this, just one sentence. So you can reach your experience to use, but only in one language. So how about in the PowerPoint itself? If you don't have any internet connections, you can choose your own PowerPoint application to create the dummy text here in the PowerPoint with the easy way. Okay, just you click the text box here, and then you can create text area here, and you can type some coding here like equal lorem opening parentheses and closing parentheses. So this is very easy, and just enter. Okay, automatically PowerPoint create your own libsum dummy text. So this is very easy, but this is very limited version of dummy text, but that's enough if you want to use the very quick dummy text for your design. Okay, that's very easy, and have a try, and see you for the next tutorial. Thank you.